Yeah. Okay. I was just wishing everybody a very, very good evening. And I'm so, so happy and I feel so blessed to have been given this opportunity to speak about this divine healing. Right. And first of all, I would like to thank Preeti, who just came to me in my life, bringing healing, and Leena and Vikasji, of course, for handholding throughout this journey of healing. I'm using Healy from past now 8 months, right? So initially, it was like just new. Healy was new in India, and there was not many testimonies or not word of mouth going on. But still, I trusted, but because I trusted Preeti, oh, it's good. That time, why I bought Healy was I had severe, severe heel pain. My left heel was so severely aching I couldn't step on the ground. I should stand and cook on one leg. Though I'm a Reiki healer, I'm an advanced pranic healer. Though I did my own healing, it could not come under control. But within 6 or 7 days, only the gold cycle, nothing else. Gold cycle helped me to come out of that heel pain completely. Today, I have absolutely no pain in my heel, and I don't take any tablets, and I don't take any doctor shoes or the gel pads, nothing. It's absolutely normal. And last month I went for Girivalam, Tirunamalai, which was a 15-kilometer trek walk, and absolutely I didn't have any pain in my heels. Thank you, Healy. This is one testimony. Secondly, I want to talk about my husband. He had, being in Bangalore, everybody knows the weather condition here. He had cold and asthma issues, and after 2 3 months of using Healy, today he has absolutely come out of that situation, and he doesn't get any symptoms of that asthma. And I'm so, so, so grateful to Healy. It's just like a genie in my life. You want anything, it will happen through Healy. And it's become so important part of my life, and I carry it everywhere I go, to office, to vacations, to anywhere. It's just always with me. And one more biggest testimony I want to give about Healy is, and this is a shout out to all those parents, all those women and men who have women in their life, like mothers, sisters, daughters, friends. We all go through those 3 days of discomfort every month. And for me, it used to be a nightmare, believe me. The menstrual cycle I'm talking about used to be so, so, so painful to me. And I used to literally skip my college, skip my work, take an off at work and be at home. And I was on tablets. It used to be so severe, I had to go to doctor and take injections. But I mean, now let me tell you, I think I have not taken the tablets for past 6 months now. 3 months of using Healy. I used to run Bioenergetic Harmony 1, Woman Care, and also the Mag Healy. And for past 6 months, I haven't touched any tablet, and I don't feel any discomfort. It's just like any normal day. This is the biggest help Healy has given me, and I'm ever grateful to that. And thank you all once again. One more last thing. I'm sorry, I'm taking some time. It's about my son, the learning program. I used to be really, really worried about him because he used to be like very playful and not concentrated on studies. But with regular use of distant healing, I do on the Blue app learning programs, he is scored 88%, and I'm very, very super happy. And his handwriting has improved a lot, and his teachers like really praise him now. Thank you, Healy. Thank you, everyone. All the beautiful souls, all the beautiful family of Healy. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.